Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong with creating your account error in Among Us. It's a simple and quick process, so let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your system settings on your phone. Now scroll down and go to apps, then simply search for Among Us application using the search bar in the top right. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, select storage. Then after, select clear cache, or you can also go ahead, clear data, and this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, and will automatically log you out if you're logged in. And then you can go ahead and manually log in again. Come back right for stopping this application and re-enable it again, which should definitely help you fix the sign-in issue. And now if you open the game will probably download an update since we cleared the data. Just click on accept on the menu and follow the on-screen instructions. To further update it, you can go ahead, open Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Search for Among Us application, and if you see an update button which is highlighted in blue color instead of play, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest version. And now you can get back to playing the game. It's not the hard process at all. If nothing works, you can also uninstall it and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.